So our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we do in our business, saves us time, saves us money, makes us have more fun. Mike, I'll let you go first on this one.
So mine is not so much business related. So I am a wrestling coach for a local high school here in San Diego, and we utilize an app to communicate with all the parents and all the athletes to make sure that we are all on the same page, that we all know what the schedules are, and any communication that everybody needs to know. It's called the Band app. And I'm positive there's a whole lot of parents that watch this and listen to this. And if you are like me and you have kids that are in athletics, or you are a coach like me and you coach athletics, this Band app is a lifesaver for communication and keeping all the parents and the coaches and the athletes on the same page, because it's like herding cats usually, which Coachy would like because he loves cats. But if you're like me, that's just, you want to pull your hair out. So yeah, the Band app is fantastic. You can upload documents. You can, it's very similar platform to like a Facebook, because you like post and parents can post and you comment and like and share posts. But yeah, it's nice to have communication all at one place for everybody.
I absolutely love that.
Yeah.
Mine it was going to be dumb, and now it's actually really good. On Instagram, if you're thinking, okay, I want to be like Mike, good movie, and I want to engage with people, and he gets his group of 20. You can do it via, I've seen people do it with, based on first name or last name. Hey, this week I'm going to do every A, then every B. Another way you can do it to make sure that you aren't losing touch, on Instagram, they have a really cool ability to see who you have interacted with least. So if you're like, hey, I'm doing my 20, but who am I missing? Who am I just keep forgetting? So you go into your Instagram, you go into your profile and click on following. So who you're following with, and there's different categories. There's least interacted with. So it'll tell you the people that you have interacted with the least on Instagram. There's also most shown in feed, which is cool. So you can see who you're seeing all the time. But I love this least interacted with. So that way, who am I neglecting? They're telling you exactly, these are the people you are neglecting on Instagram. Go through and fill this out, and then they're not going to be on least interacted with anymore. And you can keep refreshing that. That's my widget of this week. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, no, I dig it.
So thank you so much for watching this week's episode of the Real Estate Success Podcast, The Whissel Way. I'm Brian Coachy, here with Mike Proctor. We'll see you next week.
Thanks, guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.